Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading about will they reach out? Will your person reach out you? So these are three piles. This is green one pile 1 and pink pile 2 and orange pile 3. So before choosing the pile, take deep breath and think about your person who want to know. So this is green pile 1 and pink pile 2 and orange pile 3. So let's see those who choose green color pile 1, will your person reach out to you or not? So those who choose pile number 1, the green color marker, your person will reach out or not? Will they reach out? So first card, participation, 4 of wands, the rebel, emperor, and the transformation means death. I think your person want reconciliation with you. Definitely they want to reach out to you, because right now they are undergoing some transformation. The rebel means emperor. Yes, they are in the emperor energy. After the transformation I am getting, because something has happened between both of you, that's why the separation has happened. For some there is commitment issues, but now your person undergoing some transformation, because death card is definitely after the transformation. 4 of wands, you both could be twin flames also. Definitely your person want to commit to you and they want to offer commitment. So let's see clarification cards for these 3 cards. Okay, first card, page of cups. Wow, nine of swords, 8 of pentacles. Yes, without you they are feeling like this. 9 of swords, they are in depression, anxiety and whatever. They are very sad without you. Yeah, they want to say apology. With 4 of wands, with page of cups, definitely some messages you are going to be received from your person. And so yes, you will, excuse me 1 minute. Sorry. Yeah, definitely your person want to work on this relationship. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yes, your person want reconciliation with you. They want to work on this relationship this time very seriously. Yes, they will reach out to you definitely. It is very slow energy but stable. So definitely those who choose pile number 1, definitely your person will reach out to you. Definitely you will receive some communication from your person. And so let's see some cards where this connection is headed from the universe. The Hermit, Ace of wands, Ace of pentacles. Yes, definitely your person right now in this mode, spiritually awakening. I already told, because the transformation card is here. Definitely they will undergo some transformation. Your person could be Virgo also. They are spiritually awakening. Right now they are ghosted themselves from all, but in near future after the transformation they will approach, because there is a lot of passion between both of you. Your person is very passionate about you. And Ace of pentacles, definitely they want to offer long-term commitment this time. So those who choose pile number 1, definitely your person will approach you. So let's see those who choose pile number 2, pink color marker, will they reach out to you? Person will reach out to you or not? Let's see. The first card, the Lovers, you or your person could be Gemini. Rebirth and integration means temperance. I think in past there is no balance in this situation, but your rebirth means 10 of swords. Your person want rebirth in this situation. Definitely they want reconciliation. They want to reach out to you, and there is some intimacy between both of you. The Lovers card is here, but temperance means I think your person waiting, patiently waiting for the right moment. I am getting, because patience and balance, this card means integration. So let's pull some clarification cards regarding these cards. So will they reach out? Those who choose. Okay, first, wow, the Sun. Wow, Chariot. Seven of Wands. Wow. Yeah, definitely they will reach out to you, those who choose pile 2, because the Sun with Chariot, your person could be Cancer, and a fire sign Aries, Leo, Sag. Yeah, I think they don't want to give up on this connection, even though they know obstacles in this connection, because the Chariot, the Sun, definitely they want this happiness with you. They want to take things to next level. The Chariot is very slow moving energy. Still there will be some movement in your connection in the near future, because they are unhappy without you. Definitely the Sun is very one of the most positive card in the deck. Yeah, but you have to be patient, because integration means patience and balance. Definitely you have to be patient, because there is no balance in past, but now your person want rebirth in this connection, so this will take time. Definitely they will reach out, because the Chariot is here, because the Lovers and rebirth is here. So let's see, let's pull some cards from the universe, where it is headed, where this connection is headed. Ten of Pentacles, stability. Hanged Man. The World. This could be long distance relationship also. Yeah, right now your person is spiritually awakening. They are stuck, because Ten of Swords and the Temperance is here. Definitely they are stuck right now, but later on they will take action towards you. They want to offer this stability to this connection. Definitely these are connection cards. Right now the connection is stuck, because you are in separation, but the stability is coming. Definitely Ten of Pentacles means stability. Your person want to offer stability. Some cycles are going to be and between both of you. The world, and this could be long distance relationship also. You could be live in one city, your person, you both live in different cities, states. So those who choose pile number 2, definitely your person will reach out. So this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see those who choose pile number 3, orange color marker. So let's see your person will reach out or not. Totality, 5 of Wands, harmony, 10 of Cups, and comparison, 5 of Swords. I think there is major fight is already happened between both of you, or the issue is going between still, because 5 of Wands with 5 of Swords. I think one person in this connection feeling very bad and feeling very bad feeling. It could be you or your person. Definitely they want harmony, they want peace. Your person want harmony and peace with you or without you. Let's clarify these cards. King of Swords, 6 of Wands, 7 of Pentacles. Yeah, they want success. They want peace. That is your person's success right now, because 5 of Swords with 5 of Wands, they are very disturbed right now. They want success. In success means they want peace, because the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection, it could be your person. 7 of Pentacles with comparison, 5 of Swords. They are waiting. Definitely they are waiting, because they also invest in this connection. And King of Swords, definitely will receive some communication from your person, and they want to give clarity. Those who choose pile number 3, I think 50% there is a chance for your person reach out and they ask for second chance. For 50% they want peace right now, because they are feeling very bad for what happened. I don't know between both of you, but right now they want, I think some harsh communication is happened between both of you. King of Swords, yes, right now I think your person is very straightforward. They want to give clarity this time, but they want success, and they want success in to achieve peace, I think. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed, then we will get clarity. 2 of Swords, the Hierophant, 7 of Cups. Yes, still your person want to commit, but not right now, because 7 of Swords with this connection still in some confusion, because 7 of cups with 2 of swords, definitely you both are in confusion, or one person, your person may be in some confusion state. This confusion has to end before they want to commit. Definitely right now your person want peace, I am getting, because they have some commitment issues, and there are some big fights are happened between both of you in past. So that's why your person want harmony in their life right now. They want peace. Then after healing, they will approach you for some 50% and offer commitment. For some, it depends upon your situation. For some, if your person is waiting for you invest more than your person, definitely your person will approach you. So depending upon your arguments and disturbances. But right now your person wants, for some, definitely your person wants success with you, and 10 of cups happiness with you. So you will get clarity from your person, and because lot of air energy is here, communication, definitely will receive some communication from your person. And you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of water energy, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and air energy, fire energy is also more, Aries, Leo, Sag. So this is the reading for you, those who choose pile number 3. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys, and click the bell icon. You will get my all notifications. Bye.